Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO Find X3 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to make device faster. To make this device faster, you need to remember one rule: never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full. So just wait. Scroll down, and find about device in the settings, and here you will see the storage. And here, as you can see, I have used only 25 gigabytes, not percents, but gigabytes of 256, and it's maybe about 11 or 12% of my full internal storage. So here is the 70% point. And after you will fill up your internal storage over the 70%, your smartphone will start slowing down. So remember this rule: never fill up your internal storage over the 70%. After you will fill up, you need to release the space on the device to keep your device in good condition. The second aspect is the RAM. All processes are running at the moment. They are running in RAM. All applications are opened and working in the background and not in the background. They are running in RAM, and you need to open the RAM expansion feature, enable it, and enable RAM expansion to 8 gigabytes or to 4 gigabytes. Then click back and click restart now. I will click not now, but you need to click restart now. In this way, you will expand your RAM memory. It will use the part of your internal memory, but it will make better for your RAM. And the last aspect is the trash files. Applications on the Android system leaving behind a lot of necessary files, and we need to open the pre-installed files application, but not from OPPO, but from Google. My files by Google. Click continue, allow all, and here you have clean button. So click on it and click clean. You need to do it once a month or once a week maybe, but you can do it once a month. So to clean your junk files from your device, it's very useful if you want to keep your device in good condition. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.